everybody, it's John Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. Well, I hope you enjoyed the last 3 episodes on my channel. They're not really episodes, videos on my channel about my trip to Sanya. I had just had an amazing time, and thank you so much to all of you for watching those videos. It was really a fun holiday, and I'm glad that I got to take you along with me on that journey. This weekend, we're going on another journey. We are going camping. As you saw from the thumbnail, today's video is all about planning to go for one night of camping here in China. I've never done it before, and I have a list of things that I have to pack, some things I don't need, so I will take you to the store with me as we get those items. But I thought it would be fun to kind of take you guys with me as I pack for my camping trip this weekend. So if that is something that interests you, then stick around for the rest of the video. Alright, thanks for sticking around. We've got a lot to talk about today. So this is my first camping trip I've done in years. I can't tell you the last time I camped out in a tent. And as you saw from the thumbnail photo, I'm going to a really pretty spot near Tianjin where I live. So what I want to do is put up here on the screen what it is that I am getting for... That doesn't make sense. So what I'm going to put up here on the screen is everything that is included in the price of my trip. So the total price of my trip is 450 RMB. What this includes is a shuttle bus to and from where I'm going camping. It includes a ticket into the park where we will be doing the camping. It includes my tent for the evening, my sleeping bag for the night. It includes my barbecue dinner, 2 beers with that dinner, and breakfast in the morning and shuttle bus on the way back. So I think that's a pretty awesome deal. 450 RMB is roughly about, what, like 70 bucks? So for that whole trip, I think it's really worth it. Now, they also ask you they give you a list of things to pack on this trip. And so I wanted to review those with you now. I've got my phone here. There's a couple of those things that I don't have that we need to pick up today. So I'll take you out to the store today to do that. But I need to bring a day pack to obviously carry everything with me. I need standard hiking gear or boots and a waterproof jacket, just in case. It is raining today here in Tianjin, so I do expect that it might be raining a little bit later there. So I think that could be something that I definitely need. Warm clothes for the evening. I don't know I get a sleeping bag, but I have no idea how thick that sleeping bag is. So I definitely want to pack some warm clothes just to make sure I'm ready. It is definitely warm here currently, but you can never be too over-prepared. Well, maybe you can. Yeah, most of the time I'm overpacked and over-prepared. So absolutely, you can be over-prepared and overpacked. But for my first time, I'm gonna make sure that I'm not too cold when I go out there. I need to bring a flashlight or a headlamp. I have a flashlight on my phone, but I don't have anywhere to charge anything, I don't think, over the night. So I'm trying to figure out ways that I will use my phone less. So I'm gonna go down to the store tonight and pick up a flashlight if I can find one, because I don't think I'm gonna find a headlamp at this point. I need to bring toilet paper and hand sanitizer. Definitely have both of those things. I need to bring toothbrush and a small towel. So there will be obviously some place where I can brush my teeth. I'm using a new camera, so I don't know why it just stopped recording, but it totally just stopped recording. So I need sun cream. So I ran out of sun cream when I went to Sanya, so I need to get more of that. And then personal medicine and basic first aid supplies. I have Band-Aids or I forgot what other people call them in other countries. Plaster bands? I don't know, I don't remember, but Band-Aids if you're from the US, like in case you get cut. Entertainment, a book and cards. I've got my Kindle. I even have a deck of cards, so I may bring a deck of cards as well, which I think will be really fun. And then extra food and snacks, which I also need to pick up today because I want to make sure that I have some food in case I don't necessarily like what's being served to me, which I doubt. I think I pretty much eat anything, so not too worried about that. So those are the things that I need to bring, and that's what's included in the package deal for me for this trip this weekend. So I thought that I would take you guys along with me to the store to try to find a flashlight and some snacks, and then we'll pack all this stuff into hopefully a waterproof case that we can use for, not we, me, that I can use for this weekend trip. All right, let's go to the store. We need some flashlights or headlamps. And snacks. Yeah. So I'm in my local electronics store, and I don't know if they're gonna have a flashlight here, so I'm gonna try to check out to see if they have one here. I don't know. I hope they do. I'm actually in electronics. It's probably over in like housewares or home goods, so I'm gonna walk over to that side of the store. Did you see that one flashlight costed more than my entire trip is gonna cost? So I think I'm going to try another store to see if I can find a better flashlight. I hope I can find one. Like there was one there for 99 RMB, which is like $15, but I don't think that I want to even spend that much on a flashlight. This might be the only time I ever use it. Okay, so I couldn't find the flashlight that I wanted, but I did go into another store and picked up the sun cream that you saw me grab. So excited about that. That was only 50 RMB. And then on my way to the grocery store, I did pick up the, I went into the Jingdong app and ordered a flashlight for 70 RMB, 75 with shipping, so 5 RMB for shipping. Two flashlights, and it'll get delivered tomorrow before my trip. So there's the solution for the flashlight. So now I need snacks. So let's grab some snacks. These Odie slices are some of my favorite snacks ever. The chocolate chip, I eat them almost every day. They're fantastic. They're from New Zealand. Grab Odie snacks if you have them somewhere. They're delicious. It even says, nature is the most delicious. Oh, nature at its most delicious. That would make more sense. So the next thing I picked up are these honey butter nuts. I got cashew, mixed nuts, and then salted caramel. If you watched my videos, maybe you didn't, but I went to Seoul, South Korea last December and came across the store where these nuts are from. D's Nuts. Is that from a movie? They are spectacular, and I'm so excited that I finally found them here in China. So I'm gonna bring those camping with me as a special treat as well. So we've got bars and nuts. I'm also gonna pick up some of these juices that, just in case. 44 calories? That's a pretty good deal. I just found way more of those nuts. So I picked up some strawberry cookies and cream, and then the toffee nut ones. Oh my God, the black sugar milk tea is also delicious. I had no idea they had all of these here. I usually eat the same thing every day. I don't usually go out of my comfort zone. Not that this is inside my comfort zone, but I'm excited. I'm I'm back from the store. I had so much fun looking for snacks and sunscreen or sun cream, wherever you're from, whatever you call it. That's what I was searching for, and I found it. The only thing that I didn't get was my flashlight, which I explained I was able to go on Jingdong really quick on my phone and order that. So it should be here between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. So really excited to get that little flashlight for a super cheap price. And I think I got 2 of them. But in China, I never know what I get until it arrives because I can't read all the characters. So I thought it would be fun to show you what I packed. So here is a quick overview of the things that I'll be putting in my bag. So I have 2 bags. I have like this duffel bag here that is like a water resistance bag that can also turn into a backpack. So I'm gonna put everything in here as well as a backpack. So I've got those 2 bags that I'm gonna take with me on this trip. And I'm hoping that everything that I brought will fit in there. But let me show you what I am going to pack. And so you can pack with me as I put this together. So I'm gonna start with the big waterproof bag here, the black bag. And I'm just gonna throw this stuff in there as I get it. So the first thing I'm gonna put in here at the bottom of the bag is my jacket. This is just a really thin, water resistant jacket. It recommended that I bring this, so I'm gonna put that in there and put that all the way at the bottom. It is raining today here, but I don't think it's gonna rain on the weekend. So that's item number 1. And then I've got some sweatpants for the evening time. Said to pack some warm clothes. And then I've also got a sweater for that night as well. And I have 2 t-shirts here, just in case it's hot and sweaty and I need to change, and then one for the next morning when I wake up. I've got my socks and underwear here for the next day. They recommended that I bring a small towel, so I have a small towel just to wash my face. And then I've got toilet paper, some little tissue. I got the panda and the pig. So I thought that would be fun, going camping in China. Like, I know I won't see a panda, but maybe back in the day if you camped in China, you might have seen a panda. So I will put these and the sunscreen that I bought. So this is just 45 RMB. It was 49 RMB. It came with a aloe gel too. This is 45 SPF. And inside this bag, I've also got my toothbrush and some toothpaste. So I'm gonna put the sunscreen and the 2 tissues into the bag, and I'm gonna put that in here as well. And then I got an umbrella. And then I'm gonna pack my umbrella, so I have this in this bag as well. I think that's it for this bag. So I still have some room in here in case I change my mind before I leave on Saturday. So, okay, that's that bag. I also am bringing my drone. So my Mavic Mini drone from DJI. So I'm excited to bring that. And I'm gonna put that into this backpack here. Actually, I probably need to put this in the other bag, but I have my camera bag. So the camera that you're sitting on, and I got a spare camera in here just in case I need it. So I wanna make sure I have enough cameras and quite frankly enough battery charge, because I'm not confident that there's gonna be a place for me to charge things. So I'm going to put that in there as well. I'm gonna see if I can put the camera bag into the bigger bag, because this is waterproof as well. Yes. So in here I also have the portable battery packs that I'll also be putting in here once they're fully charged. They're still charging, but I wanna make sure that I have enough battery supply and cords for at least my phones, because if the phones aren't charged, then that could be an opportunity. But I'm gonna make sure that I have battery pack that can charge at least twice. I have a pretty large battery pack. And then in this bag too, I'm also gonna pack snacks, because my backpack I have with me all of the time. It's got my passports, my medicine, all of that in there. So I'm gonna put all of these snacks into the bag here. Perfect. All right. Oh, and my Kindle. You know, it said to bring stuff to read books. I don't know what I did with my deck of cards, actually. Let me go check my deck of cards. All right, I forgot my hand sanitizer, so I found that. I will put that in my bag as well. And then I also don't have that deck of cards. I can't find it anywhere. This feels a little unorganized, actually. I should probably repack this. Yeah. I'm really excited to go on this trip. Thank you for spending some time to pack with me and to go shopping with me and get ready. I hope you're ready for this trip as much as I am, even though you're not going. But maybe you're excited to see what camping is like in China. I know I am because I've never experienced that before. I'm sure it's probably exactly the same as camping somewhere else. But we will see. I was also having thoughts of, like, do I just get a sleeping bag and I'm sleeping on the ground? That might be a little uncomfortable. What does the bug situation look like? I don't know about that. I would imagine if they told you to bring snacks, that animals are probably not an issue there, so I'm not too worried about that. But I'm excited overall just to get out of town again and go camping. So if you're interested in checking that out, subscribe to the channel so you can get updates and click that notification bell so that you know when I put up one of the videos. Thank you so much, everybody, for checking out my channel. You guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you get the opportunity, go ahead and click below to check out the latest video I did, the Hawaii in China, visiting Sanya. Check that video out, and I will see all of you in the next video. Well, if you choose to click on it. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.